In this video, I'm going to show you how to create server stats in your Discord server. Now, this is really useful if you want to go and add things such as a member counter. Now, to do this, you just need to go and select your server from the left-hand side. You could then click on your server name in the top left-hand side and click on App Directory. Click on the search box and just go and search for server stats and press enter. And then you'll need to click on this second one here, which is server stats. And you'll need to click on the Add App button. You'll then need to click on the drop-down arrow and select your server that you want to add this to and click on Continue. Make sure all the permissions are selected and click on Authorize. You can then click I am human, and as you can see, it's now been added to our Discord server. Click on the Go to Servers button. So you should now be able to see the server stats over in the top right-hand side. Now, in order to set this up, we need to come over to a text channel and you need to type in /category space create and press enter. You can then click on the enter button once again. And as you can see, we now have the server stats over in this left-hand navigation. So all we need to do now is go and add some stats such as a member counter. So come back over to the text box and type in /counter space create space, and then you need to select the item that you want to count. Now, the ones with the yellow star next to them are part of the paid plan, but you can go and use any of these free ones. So I'm going to select members only and then select the channel that you want to count the members in. So typically this will be your voice channel, which is recommended. You can then go and press enter, and as you can see, it's now counting the member list. Now, to create more counters, you could just come back over to this text field and you can type in /counter space create and then click on this option here. You can then once again go and select the item you want to count. So for example, I could select members with specific roles, click on the voice channel again. You could then click on additional, and then you can go and select the specific role that you want to track. Now, to do this, type in the @ symbol, and then you can go and select your role. So I'm going to select moderator, and we're going to track how many moderators in this server and click on enter. And as you can see, another server stat has now appeared. Now, if you want to go and rename the counters, click on the settings icon next to them, and you can go and rename this text here. Just make sure not to change anything on the right-hand side of the text, as this is the counter that's going to count the members in your server. Now, one final thing to note is this counter will update around about every 15 minutes. So if someone joins your server and it doesn't update straight away, then you'll need to wait 15 minutes for this counter to go and update. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.